guys, Jefforunobricks back here with another video. Today we'll be reviewing the little garbage truck that I've been waiting to get here. As you guys can see, I used to play with these, not Lego wise, but like an actual plastic toy. So they made this. I'm pretty happy. I'm happy just about the mechanics. Anyways, the set was $32. I'll probably post this video, I don't know, somewhere maybe before this actual set comes out, because this set comes out in January 1st, but I got it super early somewhere at a retail store. But anyways, this has 503 pieces, as you guys can see. And then let me flip it to the back here. The back shows you how each thing goes. So if you twist the knob here, it'll get the mechanic of the garbage bin to throw it into the little, I don't know, disposing area. And then you got the cab. And that's really it. Nothing too much. I know, different place that I'm kind of doing my YouTube review. I am on vacay, so where else will I do it? But yes, new video, new year maybe. So let's go to that time lapse and I'll review the truck right after then.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left.
Alright guys, bag one is done. Not too sure. This one's probably to put the little back down and, you know, drop all the trash. We already have this here. It's probably like the sliding plate, pretty sure. And then we'll have, I think, the mechanic right here. And then we have the cockpit right here as well. And then also the wheels turning. But yeah, let's get that second bag, guys. Guys, let me move all these pieces to the side. So we got the cabin done here. These were a pain here to put on. Well, I finally got them on. And then we got the little grabber for the can. Not too sure, there we go. And then it goes. Oh, I mean, it's supposed to not let go in, and then slap back right out, and boom, something like that. So other than that, nothing to it. I'm excited for this. This is what really excites me. Let's get to bag number 3 out of 4, and I'll see you after bag number 3.
No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays.
Alright guys, for the last bag, here is the truck, garbage truck here. So we got the wheels on there. You could turn the wheels, as you guys can see, going, you know, And then we got the mechanism here. So we have the steering up here, as you guys can see. And then in the back right here, this is the little grabber. I'm pretty sure you just grab it, and kind of twist it, go, and then release. So this is a cool mechanism. You gotta really put some force in it. So you guys can see here. I'll just show it here. I'm gonna be twisting it so it goes in. That's what the tensioner for the rubber band is. I love it. And then this is for the back, which I'm gonna be building as the final with the little trash bin as well. Let's get to that, and I'll see you guys after that.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. And we'll grow in number, fueled by.
Alright guys, this is the complete set here. I'll just zoom out just a little bit here. Put that on the side. So here's the dump truck. Like I said, we got the bin full of extra pieces and trash on the side, like this. So this essentially, I guess here, so it'll just tip the thing and then drop the thing. That's essentially what it is. The main function that I've come here for is the little garbage. So it'll come here. I don't know how close, but take it. I'll just. Okay, well, not all of it went in, but you get it. So it all slides in. Let's grab this again here. So just grab it and just flick it, and then it goes on its merry way. And then from here, we'll put this on the side. We'll dump the stuff out. And yeah, that's really it. This is a fantastic build. Something I will admire. Maybe I might actually play with. Anyways, here's that garbage truck there. Then here's that. Still, yeah, there's still some stuff in there. Anyways, there you go, guys. I hope you guys like that YouTube review, and I'll see you guys in the next review.